nature and magnitude of charge when the two charges q1 and q2 are in equilibrium. So that's we have to find the nature of this charge q. This is at distance x from this charge q1 as we have given here. The force on this either charge q1 or the charge q2 must be equal to 0. So we have supposed that the force on the charge q1 is equal to 0. So this is now we have to done it like this one, this F1 equal to minus F2. So now this is the formula given by the Coulomb's law, and this q equal to minus q2 into x upon r whole square. Thus this charge must be of the opposite nature of that of charge q1 and q2 when this is placed at distance x from the charge q1.